Hi, this is Jaylene from WTI, and if you're looking for a cute wristband for your Apple Watch, this one's for you.
So this is what the wristband looks like on, and even if you hold it upside, it won't move or slide up and down. And then this is what the back of the wrist looks like. And then if you try to shake it or move it, if you were doing exercise, you can see it won't budge and it's safely secured. And then here I just wanted to show you how you can put on and take off your watch. And here you see the slits that it has, plenty of space to make it either smaller or bigger depending on the size of your wrist. And here you just slide it in through the first hole, and then you snap it in place with that little button, and then you put it in that hole so safely secured and won't move.
So if you love the color pink and are looking for something comfortable, I would highly recommend this wristband, and that's my point of view.